Dear children, the ICSE language paper deals with 5 distinct types of composition: descriptive, argumentative, narrative, short story, and picture composition. To write a good composition, develop reading habits. You can read newspapers, magazine, books, editorials, articles, and good books by great writers. Then browse the net. Okay, you'll get good number of information from the net. Select the topic of your interest. Organize the sequence of ideas properly. Prepare a rough draft or outline of your essay. This is what is called a web essay, and it is written before starting the essay. And you can write this with your pencil and then draft it into a proper essay. Your composition should have, first of all, introduction. Then second is body of composition, and this should be divided into 3 to 5 paragraphs dealing with a new point with proper justification. Then comes conclusion. For argumentative essay, conclude with a note of hope, caution, warning, etc. accordingly. For story writing, conclude with proper expression. It may have a surprise ending. For narrative and descriptive essay, conclude on your personal impression or attitude about the topic. Remember to choose any one topic out of 5 composition. Now there are some important tips given over here. Be relevant and to the point. Be polite and courteous in your attitude while writing. Be objective and logical. Use simple and colloquial language. Avoid writing very long sentences, and don't use only one type of sentences in your essay. Avoid using too many facts and figures. Don't use a long anecdote to illustrate a point. Write legibly. Legibly means properly, clearly. Revise your composition to remove your grammatical mistakes. Check your spellings and punctuation. Don't exceed the given word length of your essay. For descriptive composition, you can describe a person, place, an object, an incident, a scene, etc. And you should provide factual description in such a way that it sounds interesting. In such a type of composition, your keen observation and attitude play a major role. So, if you have such ability, then only choose this kind of essay. For narrative essay, you narrate some event or series of events. Now, whenever you do so, the emphasis should be on movement, time sequence, and details of your topic. Time sequence can be changed by providing a flashback. Now, if you choose argumentative composition, in this type of composition, you are supposed to express your views on a topic of general interest. You may be asked to argue a case for or against something. So, you have to state your position clear at the outset. Right at the beginning, you have to opt for that you are in favor of the topic or against the topic. Then present your case logically, and then avoid using vague sentiments. Give a balanced viewpoint. Now, story writing is a fictive or imaginary, so it is logical ordering of events. It may relate to only one single incident. It must have a proper beginning, middle, and the end. It must have a proper background, a setting of time and place. Characters should be mentioned here, humans or non-humans, and dialogue should be present in your story writing. In picture composition, a picture is given. You are either to write a short story connected with it, or you are to give an account of what it suggests to you. So, make a clear connection between the picture and your account or your story. Do not go far from what is suggested by the picture. Use all the narrative skills to make your account interesting. And when you begin your essay, you have to first of all mention or tell what you see in the picture, that this picture showcases so and so thing. So everything should be clear at the beginning, and then you have to continue with your story.